this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter Ecoboost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, and moving to the front, we do have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, with turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front, we have front park sensing, there's a block heater there, 2 tow hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O Sound System. You got 2 cup holders right there, a nice 12-volt outlet, 2 USB-Cs at 120 right there, and of course if you need more space you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same black leathering we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, B&O Sound System, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 10.2 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle-free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continuing our look over here, we do have a leather-up gear shift with your speed adjusters. It's also collapsible, providing you more space, plus storage there, cup holders, wireless charging pad, sorry, my other phone's there, storage with the USB and USB-C. We do have a nice leather-wrapped center console that does fold out to be a nice little workstation. We do have a rear locking differential, dry modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, 12-volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as storage there, storage above. We do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. Auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. Looking at your main screen here, you have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation of course, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth, any apps you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB06903, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.